just for everyone as a review, and for those people that were away, a very quick introduction of what we're doing, right? So we are reading DT graphs. We've talked about, guys that you were away, you guys should listen. Here, I'm going to do like all that lesson in like 4 minutes. You know how they show the Jays games in 30 minutes? That's what this is. Physics in like 3 minutes. I'm going to make some more. Okay, so we were talking about position, blah, blah, blah. We learned about how to do displacement, right? It's always what? Final minus initial, right? Always your final position minus your initial position. So we went through some exercise on how to do displacements. We did lots of those. For some reason, these caused a lot of problems. I don't remember why. Then we looked at the actual position time graphs. I taught you how to find displacement. How do you find displacement on a position time graph? You look for the y values because the y value is the positions. And then you go final minus initial. So the final is the one that's further to the right. Right? And then we did a bunch of those. Remember, flat line means what on a position time graph? What's zero? No displacement, no movement, velocity zero. Stopped. Right? At rest. There's another one where it stopped. When it's negative, what does that mean? When the slope is negative, what does that mean? The object is moving to the left. When it's positive, it's moving to the right. Okay, and then we found average velocity. How do you find average velocity? Basically, when you're finding average velocity, you're looking for the slope. And what is the formula for slope? M is equal to, some of you will say, rise over rhine, and I know you've done this in grade 10, right? y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. You are just finding slope. You all can do that. Okay? And then we found slope. And again, the flat line means stopped. And so on. Oh, we talked briefly about this one, right? Is that a real-life situation? Why not? Can't go back in time. And I reminded you about the vertical line test, right? Has to be a function of time. And then I think you were given, and I don't have them. Then you were given those questions to do, right? Should I go through any of those? Did you notice I heard Jason you talking about it? And where were yours?
Sure.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Jason, I heard say, well, the answers are there. Right? So yes, I fully expect you to check your own work. The answers are there, and not only that, the solutions are there. Who has updated iOS on their phone? Jason, get your phone out. Oh. Who has updated iOS on their phone? Have you? Have you got your phone with you? Take your camera. Do you mind doing this? Take your camera and point it at that thing right there. And what does it do? It's opening up. What is it actually? Google Drive. And what's on there? What's still up? Okay. What is that? Actual solution. So you're telling me with your phone, you can take your phone, and if you've got updated iOS, and if you don't, you can get an app for it. All you do is you get your camera out, right? Come on, camera, where are you? Right? And you do that. And then it says open in Safari. And then you get not just answers, but actual, detailed, handwritten solutions by yours truly, how to do it. Isn't that handy? Right? How to do it. Not just the answer, how to do it. Now, almost all of my question sheets will have that little QR code on them. See how to do it. Right? So there is no excuse now for not knowing how to do it, because even if you don't know how to do it, you can still do what? You can still copy it. Right? And eventually, after enough times copying, guess what? You'll figure it out. Okay? There is no excuse. Oh, this is sorry. Okay. All right. So what I would like you to do is this. I would like you to do question 2. I'll make some more copies for you guys. Then we'll check the answers, and then I've got a Schoology quiz for you to see if you know what you're doing. Actual feedback, like I record marks. Not for marks, not for counting, just do they know how to do this, okay? Today, all we're doing is this. Okay, so now's your chance. Don't say to me in 3 days, I don't know how to do that. Now's your chance. These,